We will now walk you through the simple steps of how to properly install vertical siding so it looks great today and for years to come. Remove all shutters, downspouts, and fixtures. On older homes, replace any rotten wood and securely nail all loose boards, siding, and wood trim. Remove any old caulking around windows and doors. Proper surface preparation is one of the most important parts of your siding installation job. All exterior wall surfaces must be even so that your new vinyl siding will be straight and look sharp. Install furring strips 12 inches on center or a solid nailable sheathing prior to the siding, if needed, to level the surface or provide sufficient material for 3/4 inch fastener penetration. Snap a level chalk line around the base of the sidewalls. Typically, the chalk line is positioned so that the bottom of the J-channel that will serve as a vertical starter strip is 1/4 inch below the lowest point on the wall that will be sided. Make sure the line is level by using a line level. Remember to drill minimum 1/8 inch diameter weep holes no more than 24 inches apart. Fasten every 8 inches to 12 inches. Use the center of the nail slots. Leave a 1/4 inch gap at the top of corner posts. Place the first nails in the uppermost end of the top nail slots to hold them in position. Place all other nails in the center of the slots. Nails should be 8 inches to 12 inches apart. Corner posts should extend 3/4 of an inch below the siding. Do not nail tightly. The corner post should move. Create a vertical starter strip by cutting the nailing hem and adjacent lock off a vertical siding panel. Fasten it inside the receiver channel of the corner post. Be sure this piece is plumb. Leave enough clearance in the pocket of the corner post to allow the siding panel to be attached. The base ends of your vertical siding will slip into the base J-channel. Verify that all is level. Place the first fastener in the uppermost end of the top nail slot to hold the panel in position. Place all other fasteners in the center of the slots. Leave 1/32 of an inch to 1/16 of an inch clearance between the nail head and the siding panel. Lock each panel and fasten every 12 inches. If any panels need to be cut for precise install, tin snips easily slice through the siding to the depth required. When getting close to the end of the course, measure the section in order to determine how many full panels will be required. Measure the length required of finish trim. Fasten your finish trim and proceed to measure the dimension required for the final panel. Cut the final panel so it will fully cover the section that remains. Score lengthwise along your line. Flex the cutaway section back and forth along the scored line and it will separate neatly. Push the panel into place, securing it under the finished trim. We hope this presentation was helpful and invite you to view other videos on our website. Transform your home into a property of lasting beauty and value, and never paint again, ever.